So guys, it's my second session for Pure English, where we are going to learn certain new words which are very important in life. As I have already told you, there is meaning is already there in the word itself. If you read some English in your lifetime, you will get the meaning itself from the word. My son is helping me in recording this. There might be some flaws in the videos, but don't worry, we'll improve it further. Give us a chance and subscribe us in all the videos so that we can generate some good English to you, so that you can help in your daily life, in your competitive examinations, and in your well-being. So let's start with few more words. We have learned certain new, some old words which will remind once again. Indubitably means, doubt is doubt, indubitably means doubtless. Corroboration means strength, confirmation. Co means something which is supporting, confirming. Then there is another word, indefatigability. Pronunciation is quite difficult, but let's see. Indefatigability, which is not accepting the tiredness, that is called indef, which is not accepting the fatigue, it's called indefatigability. So the word has itself is a meaning. Word has got a magic in itself. You just have a look of that and you will learn new words in a very easy way. So my main aim of you to teach English words is that you learn the words in a very, very easy way. It will not become difficult for you. Then there comes the procrastinate. Pro means something something supporting, something which is supporting you. Crash means tomorrow. Supporting for tomorrow means something putting off. Something you want to do tomorrow only, not today. You are not confirm about that. So putting off. Then there is another word, presentiment. Sentiment itself means something related with emotions, feelings, sentiments. So something happening in the motion itself in advance. That is what we call the pre-sentiment. So the lessons are going to be very, very, very interesting in the coming time. Will improve a lot. Please help us in the initially, so that we can improve you. We can help you free of cost to learn new words in a very sporty way. The name which we have given again, please don't forget to see our name of our class, which is Pure English. So let's start with the new words. Again, 5 new words in our second class, second tutorial, second class. First we have already learned the five words, then again we are going to learn the 5 more words. So perviousness. What do you mean by perviousness? Perviousness is something like blockage. Via itself shows some route, distance. Via. Here via is the word. A is in bracket actually. Something which is related with route. So if you are opposing the word route by using the word I am, you are creating an obstacle in the route. You are creating an obstacle in the route. That becomes imperviousness. Impervious means roadway, not allowing a passage. You are blocking something. That is called imperviousness. Perviousness, via you are blocking a road. Perviousness means a route, and you are blocking that route. That's called roadway, not allowing a passage. Then let's learn the second word, which is perspicacious. You know, SPIC, speak, is something related with visual. Look, seeing something, having keen mental vision. That is called perspic. Speak is vision. Per means something supporting that. Perspicacious, looking, seeing, having keen mental vision. So this is the meaning of perspicacious. It's like that. Speak is somewhat related with vision. You don't mug up the word speak. You concentrate on the speak. It means it is related. This word is related with some vision. Per means supporting. So it is a prefix which is supporting this word, means which is forcing you to look or see something. Perspicacious. Then there is a very common word with the name dissemination. Dissemination means spreading something and spreading the seeds actually. Scattering the seed. This is called dissemination of knowledge, dissemination of power, dissemination of... This is what we call dissemination. Now, salmon is a seed. Okay. If you are spreading that seed, it's called dissemination. Dissemination means spreading something, scattering something. So it's like scattering. If you look the salmon, it means collecting. A dis means opposing that word. So this is called dissemination of something. Disseminating knowledge, as I have told you, disseminating power, disseminating authority, dissemination beauty. This is called dissemination. Let's go on another word, which is, can you hear me? My son is standing behind the camera. I am asking him whether you can hear me.
Yes.
Can you hear me, Arunodaya?
Yes.
Okay. Then there is another word which we are going to learn. Incommensurability. Very big word. Okay. Incommensurability. I don't know whether my mic is working or not, but I am still trying my best. Incommensurability. Mens means measure. You know, word, as I already told you, word itself is a meaning in advance. Mens means something measuring. If you are measuring something, that's called mens. Mens measure. If you put the word in is opposite. In is opposite. Here also in is opposite. Can you see me? Another from here?
No.
Okay, I'll go here only. Now you can see same place?
Yes.
Okay. So in is opposite here. So let's put in is also opposite here. Commensurability is inability to measure. Commensurability is like measuring. Something supporting measuring. That's called measure. If you will put the in as a prefix, it becomes opposite of that. Incommensurability means inability to measure. There is incommensurability to know the presence of water inside, because you cannot measure how deep is the water available. Okay. So mensure means measurability, commensure. If you add the word in, it becomes opposite of that. Then there is another word, immutable. Immutable means, let's forget about in for a moment. In is like opposing the word. Mutable means which is changeable. Mutation, we call it mutation. Mutation is a very common word which is used in biology, which means changing itself. Immutable, if you use the word immutable here, you also use the word immutable. In means which is opposite of mutable. That means which is unable to change. So immutable itself means unchangeable. So these are the few words which we have learned in our vocabulary. One is indubitability, corroboration, indefeasibility, procrastinate, presentiment, imperviousness, perspicacious, dissemination, commensurability, immutable. We'll revise it once again when we'll do our third video. First video was like these 5 words, and second video was regarding these 5 words. We'll learn once again these 10 words. Then we'll go for our third video. I hope that you like my video somewhat. It is our initial process. We will going to improve it further. My humble request to you is to subscribe us, to help us to reach certain goal, so that you will learn English words in your daily life in a coming time without any cost. We are working hard to learn new words to you which are not easily available in our daily life. But I assure you that it is going to help you in life when you will go for some competitive examination. Thank you very much. This is Mayank from Pure Mathematics, Pure English. Thank you.